Hello YouTube. I've got my new lathe here in the shop. I just took the crate off it, and that's about as far as I've got so far. I've got to get my shop crane in here on the weekend lifted up so I can take the wooden base off of it. It's packed pretty well, I have to admit. Pretty pleased with the job Matt did in packing it up. Planning on lifting the lathe up from these points here. I'm going to put a cloth sling through there. I think that should work unless somebody can tell me that it's not a good idea. I think that's about the most solid part on the lathe though, from what I can see. Overall, pretty happy with it. It's like anything else from China, there's some rough edges here and there, but overall I think it's pretty good. For the money I paid for it, pretty satisfied. I looked around, couldn't find anything locally, so I decided to go this route. Won't actually get it set up until I've got some leveling pads on order from Ackland's. They won't be until next week though, so probably be about a week from this weekend before I actually get it set up and running. There's a rotary table I bought, a boring bar. I bought the rotary table. I thought I had a milling machine coming, but the deal fell through unfortunately, so I'm back to square one on that. Been dealing with Matt a bit on getting a milling machine from him. Unfortunately though, the PM45Ms, like the one Ray bought, he sold out of those and they're not going to have any more for about 3 months. So I'm looking at getting maybe a knee mill. He's got some smaller knee mills coming in from Taiwan. They'll be in about 3 or 4 weeks. A little bit more than I wanted to pay for one, so I'm kind of leaning that direction. We'll see how it goes. Just a quick look at the control panel here. It's basically a clone of the Grizzly lathe. They probably come out of the same factory. Like I say though, overall I'm pretty happy with it so far. This one came all set up for a DRO. That was part of the deal. Matt mounted all the transducers and everything for the DRO as part of the package. Saves me putting it on. Probably did a much better job than I could ever have done. So anyhow, that's it. Next one I'll upload, I'll have it actually up and running. That's it for now.